Loops in Python. Discover how loops work in Python. This video explains for, while, and nested loops using practical, real-world examples to iterate over various data structures. Here, we demonstrate a basic for loop that iterates over a list of fruits. For each fruit in the list, the loop prints out the fruit's name. This is a simple example to show how a for loop works in Python. This code snippet shows how to iterate over a dictionary using the items method. The loop goes through each key value pair in the dictionary and prints them, which is useful when working with structured data. In this example, a while loop is used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as the condition count = 5 is true. It prints a message with the current count and then increments the counter by 1, stopping when the condition fails. Nested loops allow us to iterate over more than one dimension. In this example, the outer loop iterates over a list of numbers and the inner loop iterates over a list of letters. The result is every possible combination of numbers and letters. This real-world example shows how loops can be used to process a list of orders. Each order is represented as a dictionary. The loop checks the status of each order and prints an appropriate message, which is a common task in managing data. We've covered the basics and some advanced techniques for using loops in Python, including for loops, while loops, and nested loops. With these examples, you should now feel more comfortable using loops to iterate over various data structures in your own projects. Keep practicing and exploring to master these core programming concepts.